Hello guys, welcome back again to my kitchen where we make mouth-watering delicacy. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I make this great muffin. Concerning this muffin, it is soft, fruity and full of natural goodness. Both adults and children can eat this muffin. Thank you guys for stopping by. With no further ado, let's bake. I will be using this simple ingredient: vanilla extract, banana, egg, carrot, apple. The first thing I did was to peel my banana and then add it into a clean bowl and mash this up with my fork. After mashing it up, I will go ahead to add the grated carrot. You know the essence of carrot, that carrot is very important for the eyes. Then I'll also be adding the next ingredient, which is apple. There's this popular saying that if you don't want to see a doctor or you want to be far away from doctor, eat one apple a day. So apple is good for our body as well. And if you have watched up to this moment, please don't forget to subscribe, share and like. And then I'll mix this up thoroughly, and after mixing it up, I'll be adding the next ingredient, which is going to be our 2 eggs. I'll go ahead to crack this into the grated carrot and apple, and thereafter I will show you the next thing I did. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share. Thank you. And don't also forget that I will leave the list of ingredients in the comment section. Now I'll be adding flour. I'm using oat flour. You can use a normal flour. I will be using 1 cup of flour, and then I'll go ahead to mix everything up. After whisking this up, I'll be adding the next ingredient. Thank you guys for watching so far. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Now I'll be adding baking soda. You can also use baking powder or you can use both. So I'll continue to turn this and turn it. After turning, I'll go ahead to add some vanilla extract. You can skip this part if you wish to. So after adding it, I went ahead to turn and turn and turn. You see the way I'm folding it in? That is how you are going to do it. So after that, I'll just go ahead to take my silicone mold for muffin. I'll go ahead to add it into the main baking muffin pan, and then I'll scoop that batter. Just go ahead to scoop it into the silicone muffin pan and fill up everything. So if you have watched up to this moment, please guys don't forget to subscribe, share and like. Now I'll be adding some chocolate chips into some of those batter. The reason why I did that is that my son is a picky eater or a selective eater. So the next thing I'll be doing is to throw that into the oven. I'm going to be baking this in 180 degree for 45 minutes. You can bake yours more than 45 minutes. So I just went ahead to set everything up. Then after that, this is what we have, guys. This muffin was so delicious. It was so yummy. My toddler enjoyed it. My entire family we enjoyed it. Do you know that you can use this muffin as a breakfast? You can also snack on them. So guys, will you be trying this? If you do, please just let me know in the comment section. So I just went ahead to taste one of those muffins to see how it was, and it was really good. It came out well. Yeah, it came out well. So guys, this is it. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.